In today's video, you will learn how to make amazing crepes. This step-by-step recipe will cover in less than 3 minutes everything you need to know to nail them. Stick till the end as I will share with you my mom's secret trick. Hello everyone, I'm David Coumont, a Belgian chef living in Australia. I have worked in Michelin star restaurants in Belgium and France before moving to Sydney. I was lucky enough to run a seafood restaurant for 8 years as well as a pastry shop. Alright, so for this recipe you need 250 grams of flour, 4 eggs, 40 grams of melted butter, 40 grams of sugar, 250 grams of milk, and the special ingredient in this one is 250 grams of non-alcoholic beer. If you don't have any beer at home, you can just replace it with more milk. Use a stick blender to bring your mix together. Make sure everything is well incorporated. If you have any doubts, you can always strain your batter. I always like to let my mix sit for 20 minutes before using it. But if you can't wait, it's all good, and we can start cooking straight away. As you can see, I really don't have a fancy stove, and my crepe pan has gone through war, but it will still taste great. So, heat up your pan really well, nice and hot. When it is ready, put 2 small cubes of butter and make sure to have them travel all around. If you have any excess, remove the extra. Make sure that your butter doesn't change color and pour a little of butter into your pan. Same as for the butter. If you find that you put too much, just tip some back in the bowl to make sure you have a thin layer of mix. When the edge starts to change colors, it's a good sign that you need to flip the crepes. The other side cooks much faster, so just keep an eye on it and stop cooking when you are happy with the color. When I was a kid, my mom used to cook crepes for us all the time. One of her special tweaks was to insert fruits through the batter. Our all-time favorite, a banana and apple. Cooked banana in crepes, slightly caramelized, and then you top it up with maple syrup. Yum! This is the perfect Sunday breakfast. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this recipe helpful and that the whole family enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I will do my best to answer them. If you would like more content like today's video, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing, as it would help me develop the channel a lot. See you very soon. Ciao, ciao.